Do you believe you can manifest your desires in just a 5 minutes? Well, you can, and I'm going to show you how using the technique of Neville Goddard. Understanding and implementing the method I'm about to teach you will allow you to manifest your desires quickly and effectively. Let's begin by talking about the power of creativity in manifestation. Neville Goddard shared a parable from the Bible about 10 lepers who were cured by Jesus. Astonishingly, only one of them returned to express gratitude. This individual's extreme gratitude made him stand out in Jesus' eyes, and he was fully healed. The lesson here is that credit plays a vital role in the manifestation process. You need to be grateful for what you already have, as this sets the stage for receiving more. The question is, are you willing to express credit for what you want to attract into your life? Whether it's money, health, or job, relationships, credit is the key. When you're grateful for what you have, you open the door to receiving more. Neville Goddard also emphasizes that God is within you. You don't need to look elsewhere to find God. You can find Him within your own imagination. When you discover that God within you, you access an infinite resources of power. You become capable of manifesting your desires, no matter what they are. Once you believe that you are a part of God, you become limitless and stoppable. Now let's dive into the practical technique to manifest your desires in just 5 minutes. Find a quiet, dark room where you won't be disturbed. Leave your digital device behind. Sit down and relax. Take deep breaths, inhaling through your nose for 5 seconds and exhaling slowly for 5 seconds. This breathing pattern puts you into a deeper state of consciousness, known as the third state, allowing you to connect with your subconscious mind. In this state, vividly visualize your desired reality. See it, feel it, and believe it. Imagine yourself living with your desire fully manifested. If it's money, visualize yourself with the amount you will. If it's a job, see yourself in that job. If it's a relationship, feel the emotion of being in that relationship. After completing this visualization, feel as if your desire has already been fulfilled. Believe it, and now let's go. Forget about it and start living your life as if your desire has become a reality. Shift your thought and emotions to match the belief that your wishes have been granted. When you're done, release the energy within you. Imagine it flowing out of your body. This is your act to letting go, trusting the process, and allowing the universe to work on your behalf. Remember, it's like a pregnancy. Once it's conceived, let it grow and develop. One crucial aspect of this method is to trust the process and avoid taking further action. Trying to make things happen yourself show a lack of trust and may hinder the manifestation process. You are the co-creator of your reality, so have faith that your desires are coming to you. In summary, you can manifest your desire in just 5 minutes by entering a meditative state, visualizing your desire, feeling them deeply, believing in their manifestation, and letting go. Trust the process and live your life as if your wishes have already come true. With this powerful technique, you can transform your life and manifest your desire quickly and effectively. Just like a pregnancy, once the process is set in motion, let it unfold naturally and you will see your desire manifest before your eyes. Trust, believe, and let it go. The universe will take care of the rest.